What's up guys, in this video we're going to be looking at 3 cheap companies that are actively involved with 5G technology. We're going to be looking at exactly how to get involved in these companies. We're going to be looking at the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, and what are the key price point levels that we can get involved in these companies. Now, these companies are super speculative because, this technology is still kind of progressing and advancing right now. So these companies have potential deals that they can possibly sign up with major companies. So if that does not work out, there's a potential for these companies to not go to the upside. But however, if you're interested in speculating and getting involved in these companies, this is a great opportunity to get, a good upside potential for these companies, guys. So I'm going to be going over these 3 penny stocks, these cheap companies in detail. So make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, make sure you like the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you drop it in the comment section below, guys. So the first company that we're going to be looking at is going to be Casa Systems, and this is actually an American company that is actively working towards advancing ultra broadband 5G solutions for cable, mobile, fixed, and convergent service providers. So this company's been around since 2019, and the company has been working alongside Sprint. Now, Sprint is a major company. A lot of people use Sprint, to use their mobile services. So this company is creating small cell systems for this huge company. Now, this system assist the low bandwidth usage that is necessary for the development of 5G technology, guys. So now let's look at exactly what the company is all about and what price point is he currently trading right now. As you can see over here, the company is currently trading at $4.21. The market cap of this company is $349 million, and the 52-week range for this company is between $1.85 to $8.03. As you can see over here, it dipped significantly just with the overall market when it dipped with the pandemic news, and it kind of recovered the majority of the losses that it kind of had. So that is a great thing to see. And also the 1-year price target for this company is $6. So there's not a lot of news that came out recently to kind of for people to get involved in this specific company. But when there is a potential growth opportunity, if there is an expansion with 5G technology as we're currently experiencing right now, there's potential for people to get involved in this specific company. And also, when we look at their mission statement for this company, as you can see over here, they're pioneering 5G solutions for all broadband networks. So 5G may have started in mobile broadband, but the requirements and possibilities will affect fixed broadband network providers as well. Casa Systems has game-changing core and access solutions to transform any broadband network to the service agility and network efficiency needed for the 5G future. Exactly what are the key price point levels we can get involved in this company if we want to place a trade or actually get involved in this company for a potential swing trade or just buy and hold. So as you can see over here, it's kind of trading within a range of like $5 and then $4. It's just kind of in these two ranges bouncing around, so it's kind of pretty good. As you can see, the overall trend is to the upside. Kind of recovered the majority of the losses that it had due to the pandemic news. It affected the overall markets at the same time, but now it's kind of trending to the upside. Now it's currently at a key price point level, either to break out to the upside or just to kind of consolidate, stay here, or potentially pull back a little bit. So the share outstanding for this company is 83.99 million shares, and the share of the float is 27.25 million. So there's definitely potential for this stock, to keep moving to the upside as there's a potential positive news. And as you can see over here, the institutional ownership of this company is 71% of this company is owned by institutions. So that is great. So he has like hedge funds and major banks might possibly hold this company, since 71% of the shares are held by institutions. So that is really great to see. So there's some positive news of this possible company expanding in the future. There's definitely going to be an upside potential for this company. So the 1-year price target, as we talked about, is $6 too. So we know the future is going to be 5G, so there's going to be definite potential for this company to expand to the upside. So now let's move on to the second stock, guys. So before we move on to the second stock, guys, make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions, make sure you drop it in the comment section below, guys. So the second company that we're going to be looking at is going to be ticker symbol ASX, which is going to be ASC Technology Holdings Incorporated. Now, this company is based in Taiwan and is a semiconductor packaging and testing company, as well as an EMS provider. So the sources have stated that Apple, probably a significant player in the technology sector, has potentially selected this company to be its supplier for its Wave 5G iPhone and iPad antennas. So this is purely speculation. So such speculation is even more of a reason to keep an eye on this 5G penny stock. So when I did more research about it, so Apple has still have not made a decision on who they're going to pick for these specific antennas for their iPhone and for their iPad, but they basically declined for Qualcomm, so that is a huge company, and they're still trying to figure out exactly how they're going to be able to accomplish, to build these antennas. So now they're just saying that they might potentially get involved with a company, or they might do it themselves. So if there is potential, if they actually get involved in this company, there's definitely an opportunity for this company to spike up to the upside. So still, this deal is still on the table, so we should just keep an eye on this specific company, guys. But now let's look at exactly how this company is all about. As you can see over here, the company is currently trading at $4.81. The market cap is $10.324 billion. And the 52-week range for this company is between $3.17 to $5.07. And the 1-year price target is $4.83. So super close to its 1-year price target. But however, there's definitely going to be an upside potential if they can get a deal, and also if they can actually expand, their 5G network, producing antennas and things like that for these major companies. So there's definitely going to be an opportunity for this company in the future, within the next upcoming, months or even years, since 5G technology is going to be the future. This whole semiconductor sector has been on fire. AMD stock has been going to the upside. AMD used to be a penny stock also, and now it's currently trading at like $59. So these companies you need to keep an eye on, because they have huge growth potential opportunities. So, and also the average volume is currently 1 million shares traded per day, but the volume kind of decreased a little bit because they don't have any kind of news that can come out and that can affect these price points. So these companies, also the volatility is not that much too. So these companies are just like a buy and hold, but if there's a positive news that comes out, they can definitely go to the upside. So, and also this company is a dividend paying stock, so it has 3.37% dividend yield. Now let's look at exactly how we can get involved, key price point levels we can get involved in this specific company. As you can see over here, the company has recently had a mini breakout to the upside. It actually moved above the 200 moving average, and it went up to $4.50. The $4.50 price point, above that price point, is currently pulled back and kind of trending to the upside, and it's currently at $4.81. So it's really good to see that it broke out and it held the area that it broke out of, and it kind of started to trend to the upside. So that's a really good sign, because we can definitely risk off of the level that it just broke out if we want to get involved in it. And the 1 year price target for this company was $4.83. So it kind of hit that price point in a way and kind of pulled back. But there's definitely going to be, if there is a potential deal that can possibly happen for this company to go to the upside. So also when you look at this company, the huge float available. So this company has a lot of shares available, so the moves might not be that volatile, but it's kind of like if you buy just and hold this company for a while, it can definitely move, because it kind of went up like 100% within, kind of recovered from the lows that it made due to the pandemic news that just happened, but it's kind of like very slow grinding company when you look at it. So, and also institutional ownership is kind of super small, only 5.2% of that. And as you can see over here, that it's kind of moving to the upside in the short term, and it kind of broke out, and there's a 200 moving average. If you kind of use moving averages, it's a good thing to see that it's above all of the moving averages, is now it's kind of trending to the upside. So this is really, really great to see if you're somebody that's like technical trader, and that is really fantastic, guys. But now let's move on to the third stock, guys. So now the third stock that we're going to be looking at is going to be Nokia. I actually covered this company a while back, and it was actually trending to the upside pretty well, and it recovered the majority of the dip that it had due to the pandemic news. Now it's currently trading at $4.12. There are two major news that affected the stock, and I really want to talk about it because it can definitely change the way this stock trades in the short term and also in the long term. One of the news that I need to pay attention to that kind of came out and affected the stock was Nokia shares fell on concern over potential loss of Verizon business. So this is just a speculative news, a report. It might be fake or not. However, both companies like Samsung, came out and said that they're not going to be commenting on this speculative news. What it is Nokia provides a service for Verizon. So what they believe is that we believe that there is a risk that Verizon would depend less on Nokia as their primary RAN, which is radio access network supplier going forward. JP Morgan said in a note, adding that there's signs Verizon was using Samsung, so they're speculating that Verizon has dumped, Nokia and they started using Samsung, but however, still Samsung did not verify that and Verizon did not verify that too. So Nokia has continued to work with Verizon in 5G networks, so they're still working with them with 5G technology, but this is not confirmed. So this is pure speculation news that kind of came out, and because of that, the stock actually dipped, as you can see over here. It was up at like $4.60 and it went down to $4.12. So this is a great opportunity to get involved in it. And when you look at another news that kind of came out that was positive yesterday was Nokia ups the game with innovative data center solutions. So this is really, really great news because as you can see on the article, as the application of 5G networks expand globally, the achievement would enable the company to assist various businesses and service providers with a revamped cloud platform and data center equipment to facilitate enhanced networking. So this is really, really good because, these 5G, when they have these networks lined up and when a lot of small businesses start using this specific technology, they're going to be needing services like this, the application. So they need these kind of, companies to provide those kind of solutions for them. So this is a fantastic thing to see for the future. So this is one of the positive things that kind of came out. And the stock actually kind of tried to recover a little bit, but it's still on the dip side. So it's kind of a very good dip buying opportunity if you believe in this specific company. As you can see over here, the 1 year price target also is $4.74. So, and the company just is still trading the same amount of average volume. And, the average volume is like 29.3 million shares, and the volume that it's trading is like close to 25.4 million shares. So it's still trading like that way. But now let's look at the technical analysis to see exactly where we can get involved in this company. As you can see over here, that news significantly affected the stock. It kind of broke out and just kind of pulled back to the downside with that news. So we'll see what's going to happen within the next few weeks, a few months, but still at a support area. Like $4 is kind of the support area we can look at. There's also the moving averages for right around over here. And as you can see over here, the float of the company is also super big, which is like 5.38 billion shares. This company is available for the public to buy and sell. So there needs to be a lot of, selling going on for the stock, to drop this much and, to have a support over here at $4, So if it continues to hold in this price point, and we'll see if it can continue to come back because there's still positive news that kind of came out. So we'll see exactly what could potentially happen. But this is a great dip buying opportunity for this company. If you believe in this 5G network expansion across the world and across the US, there's going to be good opportunities for these companies to continue to grow and to continue to expand, guys. So this is going to be the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video. If you have any questions, make sure you drop in the comment section below. And make sure you smash the like button. I'll catch you guys on the next video tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.